How to change passcode on iPhone 2026. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, all you gotta do is head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, you need to scroll down and move into Face ID and Passcode. It will ask you for the Face ID or the passcode. Once entered, it will land you on space. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will see the option to change passcode. Tap on Change Passcode. Enter your previous passcode. Now you can also select passcode options. Select according to your need. Let me select 6-digit. Once done, enter the new passcode that you want to add. Once you have entered, simply tap on Done. And then once again enter your new passcode. And there you go, your passcode of your device has been changed. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.